Today, I want to take you on a little tour of the downtown of one of my favorite towns in the state of Arizona, and that is Flagstaff, Arizona. Flagstaff actually has a lot to offer, a lot more than you would expect for its small town size. Its population is right around 77,000, and it's also home to Northern Arizona University. You can have a pretty enjoyable time just walking around the streets of Flagstaff. So these are some pretty cool benches that were in the park there, right in the middle of downtown. Pretty cool sculptural pieces. Flagstaff is also home to many sidewalk bistros, cafes, breweries, that kind of thing too. It's a college town. Now this side of Flagstaff is actually the downtown area, and it's actually on the opposite side of Route 66 from what most people would consider to be the Northern Arizona University side. How long has it been since you've seen a payphone? That's a miniature of this building. Votes for Women. Arizona Equal Suffrage Association hosted speech by national suffragist Anna Howard Shaw here in 1912 to promote women's suffrage in Arizona. 1912 was the same year that Arizona became a state. The Monte Vista, that's got a good backstory. The Monte Vista, well, for now it's actually one of the best places to catch bands in Flagstaff. One interesting side note about the Monte Vista is it was actually a speakeasy back during Prohibition. It's still a bar today. And it's part of the Monte Vista Hotel. This is one of the real historic places here in Flagstaff. It's actually right on the corner of San Francisco and Aspen. It's a pretty good starting point for the center of downtown Flagstaff. And then you can kind of veer off and branch off from there. Now, the Monte Vista Hotel is supposed to be haunted. This is Route 66, and it runs right through the middle of town. I just thought this car was really cool. It's like a punk rock Volkswagen Bug. The Yucca Tap Room, one of my favorite spots in Flagstaff. Another great place to see bands. Quite a bit of logging and railroad history in the Flagstaff area. This steam engine basically spent its entire life in 1917 and here we're actually on the other side of Route 66 on the NAU side, Northern Arizona University side. It's pretty cool murals down this road, and we park a lot on this street and camp there overnight, park overnight, and have never had a problem. If you're going to try and camp on the street overnight, stealth camp, you're going to want to not do it during the winter months because they actually have snowplows that run up and down the streets. There's several of these cool hotel signs around. So these are changing. Have you been to Flagstaff, Arizona? Hey, thanks for joining me today. Thanks for being here. As always, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you haven't, give us a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. If you leave a comment, of course, it always helps the algorithm and it will help my channel grow. And I would really appreciate that. Thank you. See you next time.